In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Vivid Seats discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Vivid Seats discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% off your next order, all you need to do is just select this promotion, and this is your promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get this 20% discount. So also going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, all you need to do is just select copy code, and the promo code will show up right here. Simply tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply it on your next purchase so you can get this 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.